This video may contain strong language. If you're insensitive to the fish, I suggest you subscribe and like the button.
Gladiator Gold.
Good morning, everybody. April 30th today. We're working on the dozer. The bogey broke the other day. Mechanic pulled it apart. He had to take off or whatever for his teeth or some shit. So now we are fixing it, putting it back. Well, getting it prepped till the new bogey gets here. So we got to pound out these pins here. Gonna lance them. So this is the piece that broke right there. As you can see, that guy is there and this guy is not. So that's broke. So we're working on that. It's nice enough and we have enough water we could be sluicing, but everything's broke down, so just got to get at her. And then
pitter patter.
Yeah, pitter patter, get the at her. Then see why you look so sad. Wait. Stop. Make sure your socket's all the way on. Like flat. Yeah. Are you going the right way? There we go. So yeah, we could be sluicing right now, but everything's broke down. We got no feeder. It's all on the way, in the works. So that's what we're doing. Hopefully another 10 days. 10 days to 2 weeks, I guess now. By the time all our parts get here before we get at her. It's good.
Yeah, I think kind of fucking.
Be careful that thing. It shouldn't fall because it's cradled, but.
Oh, I think it's pretty seasoned in there. So.
But once these caps come off, then this old roller here is just sitting there. So maybe just leave a bolt actually in there on the bottom, yeah, just until we sling it and get it out of there. That dog.
Wedge bolt for the roof again.
That's not a very good penetrating all that. Nope. That's all I can find. Really? What else is there? Yeah, this just runs off. Yeah. I think WD's better than that. Yeah, that's a good lubricant. If you're putting together, spray your down. It's great for that. You need a bigger hammer? I'm gonna go get my toolbox too. I have all kinds of hammers in the sea can. Huh? I don't know. Might as well use your fist and hit it. Fuck that. That's all it takes, a little bit of vibration. But these things are usually come out fucked up. So I don't know. So how do you get them out without just your hammer and the? You got new ones coming? I don't know. What are we cutting? Huh? Which one? It shouldn't be. It was right full yesterday. Or the other day. It's under 500 now. Oh, yeah. What are you cutting? Nothing is warming up those caps. Alright, don't burn my face. Oh, this hole's actually pretty good. Alright, this one's nice. Need a die grinder, and we gotta grind these burrs off of the hole as well. Yeah, that's what I'm checking right now. get it? Did you heat the outside of the... That thing wouldn't budge on this side either, I'm assuming? That snap ring? What are these little caps for?
Those plug the holes where you need the puller rods.
Oh. So don't melt them. Huh?
They said it don't matter, sometimes you gotta burn them all the way out.
Oh. And you don't know if you have new snap rings?
I don't know yet, I'll have to plug these two.
You think we're getting a new pin and setup it would come?
I did say all new hardware, but I don't know why they ordered because I didn't put the parts together.
Yeah. Then we should be able to just cut this and push it out and keep the two halves, eh?
Yeah.
Instead of fighting with the prick. What's the other trick to get these pricks out?
This right here.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Fuck you, man. Are we?
That one ain't coming off the other side either.
Okay. And you guys tried on both of them?
I tried to get them out, they can't, the socket won't fit on there.
Okay. So when the snap ring won't come out, I did what I do best. Cut that out. Now that's a mess to clean, but it's out. And the cap should come out now. Now gotta do this side. And if you're good with a torch, you can make it work without anything else up. What up, dog? Level, what's that for? Oh, Marcel? Oh. For this? We were just supposed to be the helpers on this job, and we're doing it all, eh, Joe?
Yeah, well, that's the way it works here.
Goddamn mechanics to show us what to do and leave. Alright.
I always wanted vacation.
Alright, got the bogey assembly all torn apart on the D8L. Now, it's time to jump in the skid steer and spread some dirt. Seeing as we don't have a pushing machine yet. It's the little deer that could. At her again. Level all this out. We'll eventually have a flat yard. One day. Grease. God damn it. Check it out. Mud is going away. Vehicles are getting washed. Getting all cleaned up. Look at that shine. And there's that one. We're not going to talk about that one.